Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Cyntax Error. In this video we are going to see how you can download and install IntelliJ IDE. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this installation, you will need two things. First is the Java development kit and second is IDE itself. I have made a video on how you all can download and install Java JDK. Only the download part has got little change, so let me show you all. And installation part, you can watch that video. I will put the link in the description. Okay, so just follow me. Here you have, this is the latest version. Click on download, JDK download, and here choose your operating system. We are downloading for Windows, so click here, check this, download. I have JDK already installed on my computer, so I will just cancel this. Now once you have downloaded and installed Java development kit, the most important part is to add that in your system variable, or else none of your Java program will work. Now let us move forward and download IntelliJ IDE. Open your browser and type IntelliJ IDE. So this is the official site, click on it. Download. Here three options are available. Make sure you download for your operating system. We are downloading for Windows, so click on download and the download will start. I have already downloaded and kept. Let me cancel this and open my download folder. So here is the file. Now double click and run. It will run as an administrator, so make sure you are the admin. So click on next. I am happy with the path, so if you all want, you all can change according to it, according to you. Next. And keep this default. Next. And the installation is started. By the time installation is going on, let me show you all other JetBrains software. These are the options available. If you all want me to make video on any of this software installation, do let me know in the comments. If you all haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, as it motivates me to make more such videos. So the installation is done. Click on finish. Let us open the IDE now. Accept. I don't want to share my data. I like the dark theme, so I'll keep dark only. Here it shows the installed plugins. If you want to download some other plugins, you can do it here. I don't want, so I'll click start using IntelliJ IDE. New project. If you have installed JDK, it will show up here, or else download option is available. Next, check create project from template. Next, give your project a name. Okay, here I have put hello world and click on finish. Let us write a small code to check if everything is working fine. Let me close this. So everything is fine and you all can start creating some awesome programs. That's all for this video. I hope this video helped you all. Give this video a like and consider subscribing for more such videos. Thank you. Happy programming.